Garlic, a common ingredient in cooking, is well known for its many health benefits. It strengthens the immune system and supports heart health, making it a nutritional powerhouse. However, an often overlooked but highly beneficial way to consume garlic is before going to bed. Adding garlic to your nightly routine can provide several surprising benefits. Whether you mix it into your evening meal or eat it raw, the important thing is to make it a consistent part of your bedtime habit. From improving sleep quality to enhancing heart health, here are 5 compelling reasons to eat garlic before bed. You might wonder how many cloves of garlic are needed to sleep soundly. Eating a clove of garlic before bed can effectively enhance sleep habits and fight insomnia. Garlic is rich in allicin, a sulfur compound that naturally aids in relaxing the mind. It also has magnesium, which helps lower nervous system activity, calming the mind and making it easier to fall asleep. If you have irregular sleep patterns due to a blocked nose at night, regularly consuming garlic can help clear nasal passages and improve sleep quality. Garlic is famous for its immune-boosting abilities because it is rich in sulfur compounds like allicin. Eating garlic before bed can give your immune system an extra boost during the night when your body is repairing itself. This helps prevent illnesses and infections, keeping you healthy and strong. Garlic is a natural detoxifier that aids in eliminating toxins from the body. Consuming garlic before bed supports your body's detoxification process during sleep, helping to cleanse your system of harmful substances accumulated throughout the day and promoting overall health and well-being. Regular garlic consumption is linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. Garlic helps reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Eating garlic before bed can enhance heart health by supporting these essential functions while you sleep. Garlic is rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body. Consuming garlic before bed provides a concentrated dose of these powerful antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage and slowing the aging process. This can result in healthier skin, improved cognitive function, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Garlic is well known for its benefits to men's health. Consuming garlic can help protect men from prostatitis due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce prostatic inflammation that, if untreated, can lead to prostate cancer. For men, eating a clove of garlic before bed can enhance blood circulation, which is crucial for preparing the male organ for intimacy, thus boosting libido. Every clove of garlic contains healing compounds, so regular consumption may help both young and older men recover from illnesses more quickly. Men involved in bodybuilding can regularly use garlic as it may aid in the production of testosterone, which is vital for building masculine tissue. Is it better to chew or swallow garlic? Chewing garlic is advantageous because it releases allicin, the primary compound responsible for garlic's health benefits. Chewing thoroughly before swallowing can maximize these benefits. However, if the taste is too strong or causes discomfort, swallowing minced or crushed garlic with water or adding it to food is a good alternative. Personal preference and tolerance should always guide your choice between chewing or swallowing garlic for overall well-being. The side effects of eating raw garlic at night can include body odor, potential indigestion, flatulence, and discomfort. It's important to understand individual preferences and effects to ensure these are the only outcomes of eating garlic.